Seaborn in AI. Beginner level. Introduction. Artificial intelligence. AI. Projects often involve analyzing large and complex datasets. To better understand this data, developers use data visualization libraries. One powerful visualization library in Python is Seaborn. Seaborn is built on top of Matplotlib and provides more advanced and visually appealing statistical graphics. It helps data scientists and AI developers explore datasets, identify patterns and relationships, visualize distributions, analyze correlations between variables. Because of its simplicity and powerful statistical plots, Seaborn is widely used in data science, machine learning, and AI research. What is Seaborn? Seaborn is a Python data visualization library used to create statistical graphics and advanced visualizations. In simple words, Seaborn helps visualize complex data patterns easily. Example concept. Dataset means Seaborn, visualization means insights. Seaborn integrates well with Pandas dataframes, making it very useful in AI projects. Why Seaborn is important in AI? In machine learning and AI development, understanding data is crucial before building models. Seaborn helps developers analyze data distributions, visualize relationships between variables, detect patterns and trends, understand correlations. Example concept. Raw dataset means visualization means pattern detection means AI model. Better data understanding often leads to better machine learning performance. Installing Seaborn. Seaborn can be installed using Python's package manager. Example command. Pip install Seaborn. Importing Seaborn in Python. Import Seaborn as SNS. Import Matplotlib. PyPlot as PLT. Seaborn uses Matplotlib for rendering visualizations. Example dataset. Example dataset. Study hours exam score. 240, 460, 680, 890. Visualization helps reveal relationships in this dataset. Scatter plot with Seaborn. A scatter plot shows the relationship between two variables. Example code. Import Seaborn as SNS. Import Matplotlib. PyPlot as PLT. Hours equals 2, 4, 6, 8. Scores equals 40, 60, 80, 90. SNS. Scatterplot. X equals hours. Y equals scores. PLT. Title. Study hours versus score. PLT. Show. Example concept. Two variables means scatter plot means relationship analysis. Scatter plots help identify correlations between variables. Histogram. A histogram shows the distribution of data values. Example code. Import Seaborn as SNS. Import Matplotlib. PyPlot as PLT. Data equals 10, 20, 20, 30, 40, 40, 50. SNS. Histplot. Data. PLT. Title. Data distribution. PLT. Show. Histograms help understand frequency of values, data spread, distribution shape. Boxplot. A boxplot visualizes data distribution and highlights outliers. Example code. Import Seaborn as SNS. Import Matplotlib. PyPlot as PLT. Data equals 10, 20, 20, 30, 40, 50. SNS. Boxplot. Data equals data. PLT. Title. Boxplot example. PLT. Show. Boxplots help identify median value, data spread, unusual values. Heatmap. A heatmap shows relationships between variables using color intensity. Example code. Import Seaborn as SNS. Import Matplotlib. PyPlot as PLT. Import Pandas as PD. Data equals Math. 80, 90, 85. Science. 85, 88, 90. English. 78, 82, 80. Closing curly bracket. df equals pd, data frame. Data. SNS, heatmap. df, core. A no equals true. plt, title. Correlation heatmap. plt, show. Example concept. Dataset means correlation, matrix means heatmap visualization. Heatmaps are widely used to analyze feature relationships in machine learning. Pair plot. A pair plot visualizes relationships between multiple variables. Example code. Import Seaborn as SNS. Iris equals SNS, load underscore dataset. Iris. SNS, pair plot. Iris. Pair plots help explore feature relationships, data distributions, potential clusters. This is useful in exploratory data analysis. EDA. Seaborn in machine learning workflow. Seaborn is commonly used during the data exploration phase. Example workflow. Dataset means Seaborn, visualization means feature analysis means model training. Visualization helps determine which features are important, whether data needs cleaning, how variables relate to each other. Real-world applications. Seaborn is used in many AI and data science fields. Data science. Analyzing datasets and discovering patterns. Healthcare AI. Visualizing medical statistics and patient trends. Financial analytics. Visualizing correlations between financial indicators. Machine learning research. Exploring datasets before model development. Concepts learned from Seaborn. Understanding Seaborn helps beginners learn. Checkmark how to visualize statistical data. Checkmark how to detect patterns and correlations. Checkmark how to perform exploratory data analysis. EDA. Seaborn is an essential visualization tool for AI, data science, and machine learning. Simple definition. Seaborn. A Python visualization library used to create advanced statistical graphics for data analysis in artificial intelligence and machine learning. Final summary. Seaborn is a powerful Python library used for statistical data visualization. Built on top of Matplotlib, it provides easy-to-use tools for creating attractive charts such as scatter plots, histograms, box plots, heat maps, and pair plots. In AI and machine learning, Seaborn helps developers explore datasets, identify patterns, analyze correlations, and prepare data for model training. Learning Seaborn is an important step for anyone studying data science, machine learning, or artificial intelligence with Python.